please.
Allah Almighty has thrown the challenges to the disbelievers that if they are in a doubt about the excellence of the Holy Quran, then they should produce a chapter like it, and the secondly, 10 chapters like these, the third, the whole book like that. The question is why the challenges are different.
3 different challenges.
Yes.
It all depends on the chapters you choose. The fact is that there are some chapters which are singly impossible to be made. There is a group of chapters sometimes which speaks of the connected subjects. Like some surahs of the Holy Quran speak of the modern times. 1400 years ago they mention all the inventions, etc., of the modern times. But they are found in groups. So the Holy Quran has different things in mind when it refers to 1 chapter or 10 chapters, and again it refers to the whole Quran as such. The entire Quran is in itself a miracle which cannot be produced by all the world powers combined together. So these are 3 different aspects of the miracle of the Quran. Right? I think that will be sufficient. That's sufficient. For instance, Surah Fatiha is a small chapter, and for the Quran to pose the challenge that produce even 1 chapter and produce the whole, or produce something which replaces the whole Quran. This in fact is one and the same thing. Surah Fatiha is the mother of the Holy Quran, and once I delivered a series of lectures on Surah Fatiha during my dars, and it creates a volume, makes a voluminous book written on Surah Fatiha, which deals with the whole of the Quran. So if you understand the challenge, then sometimes different words are used, but the challenge remains the same. Produce Surah Fatiha if you can, or produce the whole Quran, which is congested and summarized in Surah Fatiha. Right?